Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw landlord funds and categorize expenses in FreshBooks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw landlord funds in FreshBooks, start by logging into your FreshBooks account. Navigate to the banking section on the left sidebar. Select withdraw funds from the available options. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Choose the bank account you want to withdraw from. Confirm the withdrawal details and click on Withdraw Funds. Now, let's categorize your expenses. Go to the Expenses section in the left sidebar. Click on Add Expense at the top right corner. Enter the date of the expense. Fill in the vendor name and the amount spent. Select the appropriate category for your expense from the drop-down menu. If needed, add a description for clarity. You can also upload any related receipts by clicking on the Attach Receipt option. Once all the details are filled in, click on Save Expense. Repeat this process for all your landlord expenses. Review your categorized expenses regularly for accurate financial tracking. This will help you maintain a clear overview of your landlord finances. That's how you withdraw funds and categorize expenses in FreshBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.